In 2016, we were consulted on how we could solve a problem of severe corrosion affecting a roof of an indoor substation. Of course, such delicate facilities require extreme and reliable solutions. We propose to implement Midsun Silprocoat, which is silicone RTV coating that will last for more than 15 years. We mobilized a team and we were able to implement and install the coating in less than 1 week. And since the application of Midsun Silprocoat, corrosion was no longer an issue and the coating was able to combat the extreme weather conditions and the water leakage to the equipment.